Hey, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in my last video, I shown you how to log into the portal.azure.com using your username and password and how to create the storage account. So if you want to know details about it, you can visit my last video. So in this video, what I will show you how to create the container and how to upload the file over that in your container and how to grant access to your folder for the different users. So first of all, log into your portal. So in your home portal, you will see that whatever the different resources you have created, clicked on your storage account, go to the container. In container by default, you can see that log container is there. If you want to create your own container, you just have to click on it, give the proper name. It's up to you how you want to give the label, private or the public. Okay. So private, no one will accept it. Blob and container. So that way you can decide what kind of access level you want to give it over there. Just click on create. You will see that your container has been created successfully. So now if you want to give proper access to this particular container, how we'll do it? So you'll go to that container. You can see that access control is there. In that access control, if you click on this plus add sign, you can see that add role assignment is there. Click on that. So what there are different roles you can assign to that particular resource. So if you want to give the contributor role, so you can provide that contributor role. If you want the owner and other things, that kind of different roles are also you can give to that particular resource. So I want to provide him that blob data contributor. Suppose if you have some specific role defined and if you want to find that, so I want to provide that data contributor. So that clicked on it, provide the name here, user groups, and then select the members. And select the members, you have to provide that particular email address of that users to which you want to provide this role. So by defaultly, all other members which are associated in your resource group will be populated over here. And if you want to specify any particular user, you just give that username and you can select that username. And you said select. Now this particular user will have the that particular storage blob data contributor so that he can add or update data into that container. You just set review and assign. Now you said that adding the role down assignment so that now that particular user can have the access of data to that container. So you go to the overview. Now the second point, how to add the files. You can see here the upload option is there. You just have to click on that. You just have to select the file. So here select the files. Once you select that file, just click on the upload option. Now you can say that upload has been completed. Now you can see that data also. If you want to view that data, just click on that file. Over here, you can see that edit option is there. Go to that edit and you see that whatever data available in that file, you will be able to see that. It's just a sample data and you can delete that also. So this way you can upload any files to your data container. In my next video, I'll try to show you like how to create the Azure Data Factory. Meanwhile, if you have any concerns regarding this storage container, how to add the files, how to grant the roles, let me know. I'll try to answer those questions. Thank you so much.